Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning. We from Group 2, for Introduction of Industry Information Technology, want to present our mini project, air conditioning with dust sensor. First, I want to introduce our member. Me, Muhammad Syafiq Ikhwan bin Muhammad Syamsyami, Abdul Hasib Imran bin Abdul Hadi, Muhammad Hanafi bin Iskandar, Muhammad Asif bin Rashid, and the last one, Muhammad Amirul Helmi bin Muhammad. Our lecturer is Madam Farhana binti Mokhtar and Madam Siti Khadijah binti Ismail. First, our abstract is the purpose of this project is to innovate the air conditioning unit with dust sensor. The importance of this project is to solve the problem that faced by consumer. The objective is to make the wiring process on the Arduino and programming for the dust sensor. This sensor will detect the dust through programming that was made. With dust sensor, consumer no longer have to bother to check the conditioning of their filter. For the scope project, the problem and constraint that faced by air conditioning consumers has been analyzed for this scope project through research and observation. The concept and design of air conditioning and conditioner with dust sensor have been produced for the scope project. Objective project to make the wiring process on the Arduino and programming for the dust sensor. Next, to collect data for detect dust attached the air conditioning unit. Next, to indicate the dust on the filter is successfully detected by the dust sensor. Our last objective is to create a design of dust sensor at the air conditioning or air conditioner.
Okay, next, we present about the benefit of system in integrate with IoT. So before that, I am Abdul Hasif Imran bin Abdul Hadi. So the first point, it will to essential to enhance efficiency and user convenience. Next, the information about the dust level on the filter can be accessed remotely. Other than that, it enabling user to be alert when the filter needs cleaning without having to manually inspect it. And other than that, it will enable to the automation of cleaning process, ensuring a proactive response to changing air quality condition and to maintain a clean filter consistently. The last one, it will be transform the system into smart and responsive solution, contributing to more seamless and efficient user experience. Okay, next. So for this, our system, we will use all of the components. The first component will be the resistor. So a resistor is a passive electrical component that have two terminal. It's used to reduce flow of the current. Other than that, we have a capacitor. It's device that store electrical energy to the capacitor have two terminals and is also a passive terminal electronic component. Then the next we have the next we have the dust sensor, which is an optical sensing used to detect dust. And below that we have Arduino Uno R3. We use the Arduino Uno R3, which is a microcontroller based board that based on ATmega 328P database. It's called as the Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno has everything that can support the microcontroller. Next, we also have the liquid crystal display to display the the to display the produce image in color. Reflector to produce image color. And lastly, we have potentiometer is an adjustable volt divider. Is a variable resistor that have 3 terminal. Okay, next. So next is software involved in this our project is Arduino. Arduino is an open source hardware and software company, project and user community and design and manufacture single board, microcontroller and microcontrollers kit for building digital device. And also we have used Arduino software, which is an open source electronic platform that also based on easy to use hardware and software. And now we go to flowchart. When start, machine was right read the dust, and if good, the machine will display 12 UGM3, and if moderate, the display 35.4 UGM3, and if bad, the machine will display 55.4 UGM3. Next. Next, we go to function level offered by the proposed system. Air quality level. Good 12 UGM3. There are no restriction or restraint. The air quality rating of the 12 UGM3 is the best. For moderate is 35.4 UGM per 3 M3. Moderate air quality level will execute sensitive air quality and provide a risk to those with severe allergies. And the bad is 55.4 UGM3. User with extreme dust sensitivity should be cautioned about the dust linked to the air conditioner since 55.4 UGM3 is high danger level for those with asthma or other respiratory disorder or cardiovascular illness. So this is for user interface design. So you just sign up and log in, and then you can scan the QR. So this can check the dust at the system. So next, this is data analysis. As a result of this experiment, it is found that the value of equality source on variable. The place is that use experiment is at a conditioning workshop. The value shown on the project material is high. So this is because there are several activities done in the workshop. For example, piping activity. From this activity, there is also welding activity on copper pipe. As the result, there is the space in the workshop. So they also have dust from the pipes. So in conclusion, the air space in the workshop has poor air quality. Next.
Next, significant proposed system. Advantage of the system to Unicode LMFI FF3. First is always be in a comfortable situation. Second, make it easier for Unicode LMFI citizen to check dust. 3. Check the dust on the air filter just by smartphone anytime. Target user and customer. Have a tools First, users such as domestic and conventional. Second, users such as residential areas. Next. For the last is conclusion. That we can see have a flaw. First is this dust is detected by detecting the air quality on the air conditioner filter created to solve the problem. The result of experiment that have been conducted on the dust sensor, it can be concluded that air conditioning unit with the sensor have achieved the objective of the study, which is to make the wiring process on the Arduino and programming for the sensor. In addition, it is hoped that if the sensor is placed on the air conditioner, it will make it easier for consumers to know the condition of the dust on the air conditioner filter. Okay, that's all for my group. Okay, thank you.
Okay, for this is a conclusion for the presentation. So that's all for our project system. Thank you for your attention, and that's all for us. Thank you.